If you see the journey as opposition leader and PSC chairman to now as he being the chief minister, I feel that he has basically done a mess of the mining industry. असल्या तरेचे जे 25,000 कोटी आणि कितें म्हणजे राजकारणा खातीर तो जे कितें ताणें केलें तें ताका आज म्हारग पडटा.
आज 89 लीज रिन्यू केल्ले आम्ही त्यांना डिमांड केलो गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे. रिझन इज बिकॉज इफ दॅट ऑक्शन पॉलिसी वॉज इम्प्लिकेटेड देन it would take a long process. Royalty, other statutory purposes are being done.
You take a stand before the High Court in the Litho Faro case, which is recorded by the Supreme Court, that it will be only, we are only going to allow fresh leases and not renewals. What was the change of heart or mind? And the Supreme Court also took note that while this was only a draft policy, before it even could be actually implemented or finalized,
notified.
Certain paragraphs of it were deleted and it was acted upon without even having been finalized. Now this is clearly arbitrary and this
So you are
vitiates
saying it is
Article
not
14.
just haste, but it is the haste with this arbitrariness that is creating the point of law.
अख्खे देशभर आता लीज ऑक्शन जाता. कितले ऑक्शन जाले आणि कितले चालू जाले म्हाका सांगच्यो ना. हांव तुका डिटेल दिता नेक्स्ट ऑक्शन कितें म्हणजे ना आज कित्याक सडनली जाले. देर आर हार्डली एनी लीजीस टेकन बाय एनी कंपनी फॉर सी व्हॉट इज द बेसिस ऑफ ऑक्शन. यू हॅव टू हॅव डेटा. इफ यू आर एक्टिंग अ 67 acre or 61 hectare lease, what is below that surface right, what is above everybody can see, what is below who can see.
State government of BJP led by मनोहर पर्रीकर 2012 गव्हर्नमेंट कोणाचे आशिल्ले. 2017 म्हणसर आज म्हणसर कोणाची सरकार आहा आणि तू म्हाका सांग मायनिंग पॉलिसीचो प्रिल्यूड आसा पळय तो तू सारखे काँग्रेस टेन्युरूच काडटा 2006 to 2012. what you are trying to show that you are one washed in milk. everybody knows what you have done. अरे त्यो काणयो सांगता पळय बीजेपी वाले ते दे आर इन फुल पॅराडायस.
This matter is now pending before the, naturally because some conflicting views, it has gone to a larger bench of 9 judges.
Correct.
But my respectful submission is that finally at the end of the day we look at the constitutional framework. Right to property is no longer fundamental right.
आता सरकार किती करपाक सोदता ही परिस्थिती आसा. आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट सांगता की तुमकां ऑक्शन करचे पडटले. क्लियरली सांगला की नाव यू हैव टू डिसाइड इट एज पर द MMDR.
The government has to go against its judgment to another
Where?
bench. Supreme Court, to the next higher bench. See, तुका सांगता बस. See, let us see.
You are going for a review.
Yes, we have to go for the review. It has to be done.
Supreme Court rarely reviews its own judgments because Supreme Court generally is the last court and it's not like every day like you change a shirt you change a judgment of the Supreme Court. And it's rarely accedes to a request for review. There could have been a scope, probably there could have been scope by saying that the challenge to the Abolition Act is pending.
Yeah.
But Supreme Court has snubbed that or nipped that at the bud by including it in this judgment and directly rejecting it and saying that that means they're conscious of it and we still
still they have taken
we
this
are
judgment.
rejecting it.
Yeah.
Therefore, this will not be the ground for